All right, so we are moving even more forward with division. Remember what I said, I always want to see this on your paper. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, so here's the next problem that we're going to do. We are going to put 7 into 724. Okay, so I look here first. Can 7 go into 7? Well, I've got to write my facts. 7 times 1 is 7. So I know that 7 can go into 7 one time. And I put that above the 7. I just divided. Now I need to multiply down. 1 times 7 is 7. So I just multiplied. Divide, multiply, subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So I'm going to bring that 2 down. Okay. And remember what I said in the last video. Every digit in this dividend needs to have a number above it. If it does not, you are not done. So we need to start the process over. So I already did all 4. I'm back to division. I need to put 7 into 2. Well, can 7 go into 2? No, it can't. It's too big. So 7 does not go into 2. So I put my 0 up there. It goes in 0 times. That was dividing. Now I need to multiply down. 0 times 7 is 0. Just multiplied. Divide, multiply, subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Now I need to put 7 into 24. So I'm going to write my facts out. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3. Let's say I don't know what 7 times 3 is. Remember, I'm trying to get to 24. I'm going to draw my dots, 7 of them. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Have I gotten to 24 yet? I have not, so I need to keep going. 7 times 4. I'm going to draw my 7 dots. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now, I only needed to get to 24. 28 is too big, so this 4 cannot work. So the most amount of times that 7 can go into 24 is 3 times. So I just divide it again. Take that 3 and put it up top. Multiply down. 7 times 3, I already have it here, is 21. Divide, multiply. Now I'm subtracting. 24 minus 21 is 3. Now I'd be on bring down. But do I have another digit to bring down? No, I do not. Do I have any other number in my dividend that needs a number above it? I do not. So I have this 3 left over. And that 3 is called a remainder. So my answer is actually 103 with a remainder of 4. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to get it set up with my divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay. This time I'm going to be putting 9 into 382. Can 9 go into 3? No, it cannot. It's too big. It does not work. Can 9 go into 38? Of course it can. We just have to figure out how many times. So I need to start writing my facts. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Remember, I'm trying to get to 38 or as close to it as I can. 9 times 3 is 27. I'm not at 38 yet, so I have to keep going. 9 times 4. If I don't know it, remember, I can draw my 9 dots and then count on 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, that's not 38 yet, so I have to keep going. 9 times 5. If I don't know it, I draw my 9 dots. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And I know that 45 is greater than 38. So I cannot use that 5. The most amount of times that 9 can go into 38 is 4 times. Okay, so that's division. I put my 4 up top. I multiply down. 9 times 4 I already know is 36. Divide, multiply, subtract. So now I am doing 38 minus 36, which is 2. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and I have 22. Now, remember, each digit in the dividend needs to have a number above it. So I'm not done. I have to start the process over with division. So now I am putting 9 into 22. I already have my facts here. So what's the most amount of times 9 can go into 22? Well, that's too high, so that's going to be right. So I will circle my 2, and I put my 2 up top. I just divided. Now I need to multiply down. 9 times 2 is 18. Divide, multiply, subtract. Okay? So I get 12 minus 8, which is 4. Do I have any number to bring down? No, I do not. Do I have any number in my dividend that needs a number above it? I do not. So that is my remainder. So my answer is 42 with a remainder of 4. Remember these steps every time. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And also remember how you can draw your dots to help you with your facts. It is essential. That means you must write your facts out for every single division problem.